Here you can see the structure diagram. Yeah, here's the structure diagram. This is a male flower. So basically the peduncle. You can see the peduncle. Yeah, here you can see this is what is a peduncle. This is a peduncle. The floral axis is a peduncle. The floral axis is a peduncle. I can diagram. I draw a diagram here basically. Here you see. This is the floral axis. This is a floral axis, which is also known as peduncle. And this is upper part. Upper part get along. Upper part get एक हाँ ठीक है दिख रहा है sorry the upper part get modified the upper part get modified into this pear shaped structure, and this pear shaped structure contain this pores. This pear shaped structure contains a furrow. Yeah, even I want to say contains a pores. Sorry, contains a cavity, we can say. Is very good for this. Contains a cavity. This is a cavity basically. Contains a cavity. This cavity is basically having the osteoles. The first part is the osteole, which is known as mouth of that. This uh, this inflorescence. This is the inflorescence of the hypothorium type. Hypothorium type inflorescence. Okay, this is the hypothorium type inflorescence, and hypothorium type inflorescence, and this pores. The cavity is created in this peduncle. Peduncles is get elongate into pear shapes and contain a cavity. This cavity, the first part is known as the first part of the cavity. This hole is a cavity. On this mouth, this hole is a cavity. This mouth is known as osteole. This mouth is known as osteole. This mouth is known as osteole. ठीक है, this mouth is known as osteole. T-I ठीक है, this one is osteole basically, and here is a male flower. Here is a sterile flower. Here is a female flower. You can see here it is a male flower. This is a male flower. This is a male flower. Sorry, male flower, and this is also male flower. And this is a sterile flower. The black that shaded is a sterile flower. Sterile female flower means it does not have a gonads. They do not have a gonad not forms. Means that they do not have a gonads. They do not have a gonads. They do not contain a gonad. They have a reproductive organs, but they do not have a gonads. It means they are not take participate in the reproduction. And here you can see that at the bottom there is a female flower. This whole is a female flower. This is a female flower, and this is the bottom. You can see there is a reproductive female flower. Here, female flower. Whole this is a female flower, and this is for their adults, means for their childrens, for the young ones. They get the foods. The wasp gets the foods. The wasp gets the food. Okay, so okay. The seed is the food. The seed of this anjeer is the food for their children. Means you can say that there is a positive interaction between the anjeer and the wasp. Okay, and fig tree and the wasp, there is a positive interaction, and this is known as a mutualism. We're going to see it. Okay, place it on my sheet. I place it on me. I place it on my sheet. Okay, this is my anjeer. Means I place it. This is an isolated system. Knife आपको दिखाया जा रहा हूँ ओनली ऑफ द रिजल्ट रहा ये वास्प देखने को मिल सकते हैं। वास्प है इसके अंदर बहुत सारे, मैं इसकी फोटो भी आपको दिखा चुका हूँ। देखिए ये है इसमें फ्लावर, ये है इसमें फ्लावर, ये है इसमें फ्लावर।